Kaushitki Aranyak, also known as Sankhyana Aranyak. Navigating the mystic wilderness of Rigvedic spiritual insights. The Kaushitki Sankhyana Aranyak, an integral component of the Rigvedic Aranyak texts, offers a profound journey into the realm of spiritual contemplation and metaphysical exploration. This article delves into the depths of the Kaushitki Sankhyana Aranyak, exploring its composition, themes, symbolism, and its role in illuminating the path towards spiritual realization within the cosmic forest of Vedic wisdom. Brief overview. The Kaushitki Sankhyana Aranyak beckons us to venture into the mystical wilderness of Vedic spirituality and philosophical insights. It forms a bridge between the ritualistic hymns of the Rig Veda and the philosophical contemplations of the Upanishads, guiding seekers toward deeper understanding and self-realization. Composition and structure. Comprising various sections, the Kaushitki Sankhyana Aranyak offers prose passages, rituals, and reflections on cosmology and philosophy. It is structured into chapters, each referred to as an Aranyak, reflecting the transition from the external rituals to the inner contemplative journey. Themes and symbolism. The Aranyak delves into themes of cosmic order, the nature of reality, and the interconnectedness of all existence. It employs symbolism to convey spiritual truths, using rituals as metaphors for deeper insights. The forest setting is symbolic of the unexplored realm of the inner self and the cosmic consciousness. Spiritual contemplation and insight. Beyond its ritualistic aspects, the Kaushitki Sankhyana Aranyak is a repository of philosophical contemplation. It engages with questions of creation, the nature of Brahman, and the relationship between the individual and the cosmos. The Aranyak encourages seekers to engage in introspection, meditation, and profound self-awareness. Inner harmony and connection. The Aranyak emphasizes the harmony between the inner and outer realms of existence. It recognizes the interplay between individual consciousness and the cosmic consciousness, highlighting the unity that underlies all diversity. The rituals and meditative practices prescribed in the Aranyak serve as vehicles for attaining this interconnected harmony. Contemporary relevance. In the modern world, marked by materialism and disconnection from the spiritual, the Kaushitki Sankhyana Aranyak retains its significance. Its teachings inspire seekers to embark on an inner journey, exploring the depths of consciousness and seeking unity with the universe. Its philosophical inquiries guide individuals towards self-discovery, inner peace, and an awareness of the greater cosmos. Conclusion. The Kaushitki Sankhyana Aranyak stands as a gateway to the uncharted terrain of Rigvedic spiritual insights. Through its prose, rituals, and symbolism, it invites seekers to navigate the cosmic forest of metaphysical contemplation and philosophical inquiry. It reminds us that the path to self-realization is as important as the quest for understanding the cosmos. By delving into its teachings, we encounter the eternal wisdom that transcends time, revealing the universal truths that lie within the heart of all spiritual seekers.